Oh yes, my kids know what day it is. Come here, Gus Gus. Can I bring you? No? Okay. Hi, MJ. Hi, Thistle. Hi, Lily. Hey, Rigby. Congratulations. Rigby's laid a new egg. I don't remember off the top of my head how many eggs or how many clutches she and Cody have had, so I'll have to go into the records to figure out what the proper number on this one is. No, Layla. I think clutch 3. Leela's out of clutch 2. So yay, Leela siblings. Oh, hi, Puddin'. Leela siblings, Puddin' half siblings. Both of Betty and Hagrid's upcoming clutch, provided they both hatch and thrive, will be available to the public. And so will this next peep from Cody and Rigby. Emilio tread Tandy a few days ago, so once they get a nest spot settled on, I'm expecting from them before too long. You know, provided it's taken this time. Hi, Tandy. Hi, Indica. Hi, Penny. Penny gets her final shot on Saturday. And then she can go home on Monday. Yeah, you can go home. Yep. Lily and Lexi are trying again. Let's see how that goes. Lily just has the worst vent hygiene. No. MJ and Alec got into it a little. Hi, MJ. Hey, buddy. Thank you. That was sweet. Hi, Tandy. Oh, that's a fight boy. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Where do you want me? Where do you want me, buddy? Just notice that after he's pulled me closer, he's not biting as hard. Now, this isn't just MJ being a vicious bastard. Oh, okay. Is that where that goes? More of it go over there? Where's that go? Is that where that goes? Is that where that goes? You can step up on it. Yeah, you can step up on it. Is that where that goes? Oh, you're still trying to decide where my thumb specifically goes. Okay. So, see how he's not pecking as aggressively? MJ is practicing driving behavior because he's about that age. Oh no, he's gotten too close to Tandy. My arm belongs to Tandy right now. Tandy says that's hers, and he doesn't have a say in where it goes. Hagrid has soundly informed her daughter in no uncertain terms that this knee currently belongs to her. Hi, Elliot. There is an Elliot on my shoulder, and an Indica is trying to tell her that shoulders both belong to them. Elliot, you're making it hard for me to hold the camera, baby. I got Tandy on this arm, I got Elliot on my camera hand. Elliot is notorious for trying to press the buttons. Stop pressing the buttons. Y'all are hellions. Right now, Cody is on sitting duty. You can barely see his little head in there. On sitting duty for his wife's bitty egg. Hi, PJ. We still have not had anyone speak up for PJ yet. PJ is still available. Hey, buddy. Mia is also still available. And God, you cute little chicken. Off to his nest box. Sammy just took his second dose of worm meds yesterday. We will test him for them again on Wednesday. And if he's clean, he will be able to go out the following Monday. So we've got 2 birds who are still available and ready, and 1 bird who will be shortly, 1 bird who is definitely going out. So the number of birds we have in quarantine right now, which is exacerbated by all the new blood I've gotten recently. The 3 that I planned on from Geppetto Loft, and the 2 that I got talked into from somebody else, plus the 3 rescues, is really putting my housemate's wife in a bad position. Her allergies are bothering her. It's bad enough that my husband's allergies are acting up also. So I need to reduce my quarantine spaces from the current 5 to 2. Which hurts both our breeding and our rescue operations, because I've got to quarantine new blood regardless of where it comes from. There's so much that can sneak in, and there's so much that they can hide subclinically, that it's pretty much never safe to just take a new bird from anywhere and mix it in with a group of residents. We vaccinate for salmonella and paratyphoid, and we do throat swabs and fecal checks for Trich, Candidia, Capillaria, Strongyloides, and Coccidia. But there's nothing you can do about, say, adenovirus except wait for it to start showing symptoms. Hi, Alex. So we test for the things that we're able to test for. But there are some things that just require you wait for them. That make quarantine space vital, even with a battery of tests available to me on the arrival of birds. Hello, Precious. Farthing is starting to molt his tail feathers. And just like with their flights, pigeons generally molt them symmetrically from the outside in. So those are being added probably a few days at a time into the feather jar. One of the ways that we raise funds, because our patron is enough to boost us, and our patrons often donate towards specific things when we have a need, but it's not enough to cover the base costs. Most of that I make in selling birds, and I haven't had that many birds that could go out this month. So something else I do that supplements our income is collecting the feathers and oh my goodness, this beak. Sorry. Something I do to boost our income is collect their feathers and sell them for craft work. I make a little bit of feather jewelry, but that's kind of time consuming, and most of the time I don't have the time. And there's lots of artists way more inventive than I am who can do much more interesting things with those feathers. These are, as you've seen, gathered as they're molted. Hi, Rigby. I only keep the cleanest and most structurally sound for sale, because every time I go into a craft store and see feathers for sale, they're a mess. The barbs are all ruffled. There's lice holes in them. And also they're nowhere near that pretty. I'm looking forward to when he molts those. What are you doing? You're just an excited young man. So we like to refer to this behavior as flutter dancing. This is basically an excited stim, more typical of birds under 4 months than adults. pigeons between pigeons between 1 and 3 months do a lot of flutter dancing, a lot of zoomies. You know, for the same reason that toddlers get so much joy out of running. They've just developed the use of those limbs. It's really exciting to get to use them to go fast. Hi, Thistle. Hi, Thistle. You're such a pretty baby. You want to bring the camera? Oh, I'm going to play with my shirt. And you and Farthing playing with my keys. Hi, Dodger. Hi, Dodger. What's a Dodger boy doing? Yes, hello, Thistle. Thistle's being very smoochy faced. Ooh. I know. Don't push buttons. Don't push buttons. Hi, Alex. Oh, hello, Alex. Oh no, Thistle got too close to Indica. Hey, Alex. What you up to? You come to be sociable? Hey, MJ. Do you want this back? Yeah. Do you want this back? No? Okay. You can come all the way up here. Hi, Farthing. And lots of the young birds like to cuddle with me. So there are usually arguments over who gets to and when. Oh no, mistakes were made. Dodger tried to land in Cody's nest. Cody had words. Cherry and Sprinks will be joining the flock tomorrow. My goodness, Rigby, that was quite a production. Hi, Alex. Hi, Thistle. Hey, Vinny. So, after this, we will set up for treat time. Today's the day for that. Hey, Luxie. MJ is a particular butt after someone's chased him off. Hi, Leela. Hey, Alex. Hey, Vinny. Hey, good boy. Did you come to see me? Did you come to see me? You did. Hi, Vinny. Can you bring me? Oh. I bring you? Bring you? No? Okay, I'm sorry. What a stern and commanding Vinny. Hi, MJ. Welcome back. You're allowed to be up here. Yeah, this one's a little more sturdy than the skirt I usually wear. Denim bees like that. We have reached the 20-minute mark, so I will go ahead and sign off. In addition to my clients, adopters, and apprentices, both in small-scale companion breeding and small-scale rescue work, I would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our fantastic patrons on Patreon. Hi. The friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. I'll see you in a minute.